Hello, everyone. Welcome to Snack English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
I am Adam.
And I am Sarah.
How are you today, Sarah?
I am very good, Adam, but I have a small problem.
A small problem. What is your problem?
I am very hungry.
You are hungry. I am hungry too. My stomach is empty.
My stomach is empty too. I want to eat.
That is perfect because our topic today is food.
Food. I love food. It is a great topic.
Yes, today we will talk about food and the supermarket.
Food and the supermarket. I go to the supermarket every week.
Me too. But first, let's talk about our favorite foods.
Okay, let's talk about our favorite foods. Where do we start?
Let's start with the morning. Let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast, the first meal of the day.
Yes. What do you eat for breakfast, Sarah?
I eat a small breakfast. I like bread and cheese.
Bread and cheese. Do you eat white bread or brown bread?
I eat brown bread. Brown bread is very healthy.
Yes, brown bread is healthy. What kind of cheese do you like?
I like white cheese. It is very soft.
White cheese and brown bread. Do you eat fruit for breakfast?
Yes, I eat an apple. I love apples.
Do you eat a red apple or a green apple?
I eat a red apple. Red apples are very sweet.
Red apples are sweet. Green apples are sour.
Yes, green apples are sour. I do not like sour fruit.
I understand. What do you drink for breakfast?
I drink cold milk, a glass of cold milk.
Cold milk. That is a nice breakfast.
Thank you. What about you, Adam? What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat a big breakfast. I am very hungry in the morning.
A big breakfast. What do you eat?
I eat eggs. I love eggs.
Eggs. How many eggs do you eat?
I eat 3 eggs.
3 eggs. That is a lot of eggs.
Yes, I boil the eggs. I like boiled eggs.
Boiled eggs. Do you put salt on the eggs?
Yes, I put a little salt, and I eat toast with butter.
Toast with butter. Hot toast is very good.
Yes, it is. And I drink a big cup of hot coffee.
Hot coffee. You drink coffee every morning.
Yes, every morning. Coffee gives me a lot of energy.
So you eat eggs, toast, and coffee. I eat bread, cheese, an apple, and milk.
Yes, we eat very different food for breakfast.
Now let's talk about the afternoon. Let's talk about lunch.
Lunch, the second meal of the day.
Yes. Do you eat a big lunch, Adam?
Yes, I eat a very big lunch. I eat meat.
Meat. Do you eat red meat or white meat?
I eat white meat. I eat chicken. I love chicken.
Chicken is very good. How do you cook the chicken?
I cook it in the oven. It is very hot and nice.
Chicken in the oven. Do you eat rice with the chicken?
Yes, I always eat white rice with the chicken.
White rice and chicken. Do you eat a salad?
Yes, a big green salad. Salad is very healthy.
What do you put in the green salad?
I put tomatoes, cucumbers, and green peppers.
Tomatoes, cucumbers, and green peppers. That sounds delicious.
It is delicious. What do you eat for lunch, Sarah?
I do not eat meat. I eat fish.
Fish. You like fish. Do you eat fried fish?
No, I do not like fried fish. I eat baked fish.
Baked fish in the oven. That is healthy.
Yes, it is. And I do not eat rice. I eat potatoes.
Potatoes. Do you eat boiled potatoes?
Yes, boiled potatoes with a little bit of butter.
Fish and boiled potatoes. Do you eat a salad?
Yes, I eat a small salad. I put carrots and onions in my salad.
Onions. Oh, I do not like onions.
You do not like onions? Why not?
Onions make me cry, and they have a strong smell.
Yes, onions make you cry, but they taste very good.
Maybe, but I do not eat them. What do you drink with lunch?
I drink cold water, a big glass of cold water.
Cold water is very good. I drink orange juice.
Orange juice, sweet orange juice. That is nice.
Yes. Now, let's talk about the evening. Let's talk about dinner.
Dinner, the last meal of the day.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
I eat dinner early. I eat at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock is early. I eat dinner late. I eat at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock is very late. What do you eat at 9 o'clock?
I eat a light dinner. I am not very hungry.
A light dinner. What do you eat?
I eat hot soup, chicken soup.
Chicken soup. That is very warm. It is good for the stomach.
Yes, it is. And I eat a small piece of bread. That is all.
Hot soup and bread. A very simple dinner.
What about you, Sarah? What do you eat for dinner?
I eat pasta. I love pasta.
Pasta. Do you eat pasta with tomato sauce?
Yes, pasta with red tomato sauce and a little cheese on top.
Pasta with cheese. That sounds heavy for dinner.
It is a little heavy, but I love it.
Pasta is very good. Do you eat dessert after dinner?
Dessert. Sweet things. Yes, I eat dessert.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Brown, sweet chocolate cake.
Yes, I eat one small piece. What about you? Do you eat dessert?
No, I do not eat cake. I eat fruit for dessert.
Fruit. What fruit do you eat?
I eat a banana. Bananas are sweet and healthy.
Yes, bananas are very healthy.
Okay, Sarah. We talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yes, we did. We eat a lot of food.
Now, where do we get this food? We must buy it.
Yes, we must go to the supermarket.
Let's talk about the supermarket, a big shop for food.
I go to the supermarket every Saturday morning.
Every Saturday morning, do you walk to the supermarket?
No, the supermarket is far. I take my car. I drive there.
You drive your car. The supermarket is big.
Yes, it is very big. It has many doors and many windows.
When you go inside, what is the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is take a basket, a red plastic basket.
A small red basket. You carry the basket in your hand.
Yes, I carry it. It is not very heavy. Do you take a basket, Adam?
No, I do not take a basket. I buy a lot of food. I take a big shopping cart.
A big shopping cart. You push the cart with your hands.
Yes, I push the cart. It has 4 small wheels.
Okay, you have your cart. I have my basket. Where do we go first?
I always go to the fruit and vegetable section first.
The fruit and vegetable section. The green section.
Yes, the green section. I buy tomatoes, cucumbers, and apples.
Do you put the fruit in a small bag?
Yes, I take a small, clear plastic bag. I put the apples inside.
I do that too. I buy bananas, potatoes, and carrots.
Where do you go next, Sarah?
Next, I go to the dairy section.
The dairy section, the white section, milk and cheese.
Yes, I buy cold milk and white cheese.
Are they in the fridge?
Yes, the dairy section is very cold. I take the cold milk quickly.
I go to the dairy section too. I buy butter for my toast.
Butter for your toast. Where do you go next?
I go to the meat section, the red section.
The meat section, to buy your chicken.
Yes, I buy fresh chicken. It is very clean.
I go to the fish section. It is near the meat section.
The fish section. Does it smell like the sea?
Yes, it smells like fish and the sea. I buy fresh fish.
Now my shopping cart is full.
And my red basket is full. What do we do now?
Now we go to the cashier. We must pay for the food.
Yes, we go to the cashier. There is a line of people.
A line of people. We must wait in the line.
Yes, we stand in the line and wait.
When it is my turn, I take the food out of my cart.
You put the food on the table, the moving table.
Yes, the cashier takes the food. Beep, beep, beep.
The machine reads the price of the food.
Then the cashier says the total price.
How do you pay, Adam? Do you pay with money, paper, cash?
No, I do not carry paper money. I pay with a credit card.
A credit card, a small plastic card. You put the card in the machine.
Yes, it is very fast. How do you pay, Sarah?
I pay with cash. I give paper money to the cashier.
Paper money. The cashier gives you change.
Yes, the cashier gives me coins.
After we pay, we must put the food in bags.
Do you buy plastic bags from the supermarket?
No, I do not buy plastic bags. I bring my own bags from home.
You bring your own bags. That is very good for the earth.
Yes, it is. I have strong cloth bags. I put the heavy food at the bottom.
The heavy food at the bottom, like potatoes and milk.
Yes, and I put the soft food at the top, like tomatoes and bread.
That is very smart. If you put tomatoes at the bottom, they will break.
Yes, they will become tomato juice.
Tomato juice in the bag. That is a mess.
Then I carry my bags to my car. I put them in the car and I drive home.
I do the same thing. I carry my bags, I put them in the car, and I go home.
The supermarket routine is very long, but we have a lot of good food now.
Yes, we do. Our fridges are full.
Okay, Sarah. We talked about food. We talked about the supermarket.
Yes, it was a very good conversation.
Now I want to do something fun. I want to play a game.
A game? I love games. What is the game?
It is a guessing game.
A guessing game. How do we play?
I will describe a food. I will use simple words. You must listen and guess the food.
Okay. You describe it. I will guess the name of the food.
Yes, and our listeners can play too. They can guess with you.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I am ready. Let's play.
Okay, round 1. Listen carefully.
I am listening.
It is a fruit.
A fruit. Okay.
It is long. It is not round. It is long.
A long fruit.
It is yellow on the outside and white on the inside.
Yellow outside, white inside.
It is very sweet and monkeys love to eat it. What is it?
Oh, that is very easy. Monkeys love it. It is a banana.
A banana. Yes, you are correct. 1 point for Sarah.
Yay! 1 point for me. Give me another one.
Okay, round 2. This is a drink.
A drink. Hot or cold?
Usually we drink it cold. It is white.
A cold white drink.
We get this drink from a big animal. We get it from a cow.
From a cow.
Children drink it to grow strong, and cats love to drink it too. What is it?
A white drink from a cow. Cats love it. It is milk.
Milk. Yes, you are correct again. 2 points for Sarah.
Yay! 2 points for me. Give me another one.
Okay, Round 3. This is a vegetable.
A vegetable. Okay.
It is round like a small ball.
A round vegetable.
It is red, very red.
A red, round vegetable.
We wash it, we cut it, we put it in a green salad. What is it?
Red, round, in a salad. Is it an apple?
No, an apple is a fruit. This is a vegetable.
Oh, a vegetable. Red and round. It is a tomato.
A tomato. Yes, you are right. 3 points for Sarah.
Wow, tomatoes are very good. Okay, one more round. Make it difficult.
Okay, round 4. The last round. This is very difficult.
I am ready.
It is a drink.
A drink. Okay.
It is very hot. We drink it hot.
A hot drink.
It is dark brown, almost black.
Dark brown and hot.
It is not sweet, it is bitter. We drink it in the morning, it gives us energy. What is it?
Dark brown, hot, morning energy. Is it tea?
No, it is not tea. Tea is light. This is dark brown.
Oh, I know. You drink this every morning, Adam. It is coffee.
Coffee! Yes, you are correct. You win the game, Sarah.
Yay! 4 points for me. That was a very fun game.
It was fun. It's a good way to practice English words.
Yes, it is. We learned a lot of words today, Adam.
We did. We learned about breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
We learned about meat, fish, fruit, and vegetables.
We learned how to push a cart in the supermarket.
And how to pay with cash or a credit card.
We have many differences, Sarah. I like coffee, you like tea.
I like fish, you like chicken.
I eat a big breakfast, you eat a small breakfast.
But we both love food, and we both love talking to our listeners.
Yes, we do. Now we want to hear from our amazing listeners.
We have a question for you today.
What is your favorite food?
Do you like chicken, fish, pasta, or fruit?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We want to read them.
You can write a simple sentence. You can write, "My favorite food is..."
And if you liked this podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, give us a thumbs up. It makes us very happy.
And please subscribe to Snack English. We will make more easy and fun videos for you.
Thank you for listening today. Stay happy and eat good food.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.